could kind of see asymptotically that price of technology is approaching zero. And I used to always wonder if networking, compute, and store were free, what would you build? You've been building your system, you said, for 5 years as the price of the components, the change of the technology, the power change. What's it like building products in 2024 when what you probably spec'd out yesterday is completely overtaken by something new tomorrow?
Yeah, what's interesting is that robotics is really a collection of a lot of different activities and technologies, all converging in one. So when we are designing the robot that you see back there, the fancy parts are machined in Shenzhen. The coding is done in Lithuania and Bangalore. Our business modeling is done in Taipei, and our welding is done in Portland. So it's just like an automobile. It's a very international cooperation. I would love to stay more domestic and more local, but it's just very hard to do that on a dime. But the technology for things like VR, motion control, motor systems, especially sensors, is dropping through the floor, and the ease of use is going with that. Most importantly, though, the talent that knows how to use that is really becoming more ubiquitous. It used to be that you had to have 10 years of experience in robotics to know how to do some of this basic motion control coding. Now it's about a 16-year-old kid out of high school who's been doing FIRST robotics since they were born and knows how to speak in Arduino better than they know how to speak in English. And that really works for the next generation of innovators overall on all levels, because you have a generation now who's really been raised and weaned on some very sophisticated technologies. So give it a generation, we're going to see some very fancy stuff coming along.